Do you want your mind to always remain under your control, enabling you to work according to your own will? If that's your desire, then make sure to watch this video until the end. Today, I will share a story with you, a story that holds some hidden secrets related to your life. By the end of it, you'll understand a technique that can help you take control of your mind. In a kingdom, there was a king who had a deep affection for wild horses. He owned 4 of them, and he wished to have them trained so that he could ride them. However, no trainer was successful in taming these wild horses. Every time a trainer attempted to ride them, the horses would throw them off. The king loved these horses so much that he didn't allow any trainer to use harsh methods on them. He declared a reward of 100 gold coins to anyone who could train the horses successfully. Many people came to try, but they all failed miserably. The horses would throw them off, causing injuries. One day, a young man who aspired to be a horse trainer came to the king's court. He said, "Your Majesty, I can train your horses, but I have 2 conditions." The king was intrigued and asked, "What are your conditions?" The young trainer replied, "My first condition is that I need 1 year to work with these horses, and my second condition is that I need a spacious, enclosed area to stay with them. It should have high walls so that no one can disturb us." The king considered this and thought, "I have tried everything else. Why not give this a chance?" He agreed to the conditions, and the trainer started his work the next day. He took the horses into the large enclosure, opened the gate, and let them run freely. The horses remained wild and uncontrollable. What the trainer did next was extraordinary. He ran alongside the horses within the enclosure, gradually getting them used to his presence. He started by feeding them and giving them water, and he ate alongside them. After a while, the horses accepted him as part of their environment. Then he introduced reins and saddles, and the horses let him put them on without resistance. He was patient and understanding, gaining their trust step by step. He tamed the wildness inside them. After several months of this gradual approach, the trainer was able to ride them, and the horses didn't resist. They became his friends, and they trusted him completely. They ran freely with him, and their bond was unbreakable. When the year was up, the trainer sent a message to the king, stating that the horses were ready. The king came to see for himself. He was astonished to see the trainer riding the horses effortlessly, with full control. The horses were now disciplined, and the king was overjoyed. He rewarded the young trainer with not only the promised gold coins, but also a permanent position in the palace to look after the horses. The trainer had successfully trained not only the wild horses, but also the king's heart. This story teaches us that just like those wild horses, within each of us there are 4 aspects: the horse of anxiety, the horse of anger, the horse of pride, and the horse of greed. To take control of these aspects, you need to approach them with your intellect, just as the trainer did. Gradual understanding and patience can help you overcome them and create harmony within yourself.